Hello, this video is going to be a little bit different. It started out as a video showing me making the UGears model of a steampunk clock, and then it went in a different direction. I chose the steampunk clock because it is one of UGears' simplest kits, and as you will see, I ran into a lot of difficulty making it. Now I want to make a disclaimer here. I'm not saying that UGears models are poorly made. I'm not saying UGears models are of poor quality. What I am saying is that most of the pieces in these kits are very delicate indeed, and you need to handle them very gently. I think perhaps I was just a bit heavy-handed with this kit. I've seen many videos of people successfully making these models. I did my best, but as you'll see, I ended up breaking a few of the parts. So in the name of full transparency, I decided to make this video anyway, just to let you see some of the pitfalls when you're making these UGears models, so that when you choose to make one, and I strongly urge you to do so, that you treat it very carefully and you will end up with a very successful model at the end of it. UGears is a Ukrainian company, and they make over 100 wooden models with all the pieces laser cut. They have a variety of models from very simple up to extremely complicated. The basic taking about an hour to make, and some of them taking dozens of hours to make. This is the steampunk clock that I chose to buy. It was about $15 plus shipping from Europe. To help with the construction, I have a craft knife to make it easier to get some of the smaller pieces out of the wood, and I have a candle. There's certain pieces that we need to wax, which will coat some of the wooden pieces to make them easier to turn and not catch against each other. Okay, let's go ahead and build it. Let's slow down and take a look right here. There's many parts of the kit where they use these wooden dowels or pins to hold parts together. And you have to apply a lot of pressure to get the parts far enough down the spindle to go into the right place, especially when you're trying to line up different cogs, as you'll see later in the build. It's unfortunate how much pressure you have to apply, and as you'll see, this led directly to me breaking various parts. As I try desperately to get this new piece onto all 4 pins, you get to see the first casualty of my build. And here's where it totally fell apart. Literally. It's painful to watch. Oh dear, what a total disaster. Well, take this as a cautionary tale. Clearly I should stick to science and electronics. I sincerely hope you do much better than I did if you choose to buy and build one of these UGears kits. Please post in the comments below if you've built one or you ran into the same difficulties I had building one. I'd love to know how you did. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel so far. And if you're liking the videos that I'm making, please do like and subscribe. And there'll be more science kits and electronics to come. Thanks for watching. Cheerio for now.